Well, it all started out in April of 2004. I was on a patrol in Iraq and we were ambushed with some IEDs and sniper fire. I was thrown from the top of a 7-ton truck. As the months and then years rolled on, within I believe the end of 2005, I'd started going to the VA to see what they could do as far as to relieve the pain. I was having a lot of trouble sleeping at night, walking. I couldn't stand up straight a whole lot. A lot of nerve pain, a lot of nerve overactivity, if that's the word for it. And they immediately took me in, did the x-rays, did the MRIs, came to me and explained to me that I had a bulging disc and what it was. And their solution for it was medication at first with physical therapy. And then after about a year and a half of that, when it wasn't getting any better, they wanted to do surgery. About a year ago, I saw an ad in the paper. Dr. Scranton was advertising a free x-ray and exam for veterans of the war. I figured, what can it hurt? So I gave him a call, set up an appointment. At this point, I knew that I wasn't going to get any help through the VA going through a chiropractor, so I just tried to take it in my own hands and see where it would take me as far as, what could it hurt. Immediately I came in, I felt very comfortable. Dr. Scranton did the x-rays, the initial consultation, explained to me very professionally and in layman's terms what was going on, what he thought he could do to help. And then we started a regimen of coming in here every week and getting adjusted, and immediately I felt so much better. I was able to sleep more at night, the nerve pain had diminished, the muscular and skeletal pain I was having as far as walking, I was able to stand up straighter, I was able to do more physical things longer. Before I just had to sit down, where before it was, if I could get up and walk down the hallway, I was physically exhausted. And now it's to the point where I sleep through the night, almost every night. I can work 8-hour days and feel very little, if no pain at all. Now when we look at the x-rays in Dr. Scranton's office, I mean, you can actually see the disc has receded into my spine, or my spine is way more up and down than it ever was. It used to look like a question mark, honestly. And now it's, there's still some ways to go for me, but it's, so much straighter now, it's ridiculous. And I can see it, I can feel it when I walk. People pull me aside and say, what have you done? There's such a drastic change. And some of them are honestly surprised when I say I've been going to see a chiropractor. Got a guy, Dr. Scranton, he's awesome. It's really just been a night and day change from where I was at and trying I guess, mainstream medical ways of trying to fix back problems for 5+ years to after, immediately I felt relief that I never felt with the drugs. I don't have to wear my back brace anymore. I wore a back brace for 4 or 5 years. I haven't worn it for probably 9+ months now. And helped me out so much. I feel so indebted to Dr. Scranton. It's just amazing what this can do, and it's almost a travesty that more people don't know about it. I really do believe that this is something that people with any sort of joint or lower back pain, at least like I have, is something that you should at least try, and I really think that you'll enjoy it and keep coming back.